ng Paris. Diba? Diwata. Water lily? Diba? Ay, lotus. Lotus ko na yung sabong ni Colombiana.
Sa Bali nga lotus dito yung DJ Hawaii Lake sa Bali. Ito yung pa sister di DJ sabong dito.
Dito tayo paglimulan pa nga tayo kontrabando no, damang maghabutan. What is that? 360 gadget?
Oh look, is that?
Oh, you must have a very big storage.
I do.
This way.
This.
Di ba maalala mo nung na-allergic ka? Nung daw sa bulsa? Birds in the sky.
It's alright.
We are taking your picture.
We'll blur her out.
Yes, I'm taking the lead.
Snapping up with it.
Where is Lapu-Lapu? Oh. 360 talaga.
Right. No bad angles.
Nice.
They're all good.
So that's a video or
Video.
violet.
Ooh, they're so violet. Oh, you can.
Violets are blue.
Ay, mas bagay sa atin yan.
Aling color?
See.
Oo nga eh.
Blue
Pwede,
violet.
pwede.
Ganda.
City of Bonn, Canada. Canada. Uy, Canada.
Canada.
Napanood na. Kandaba swamp.
Canada.
Canada.
Gem. It's actually a wrong to say Canada. Canada is Katakwada dapat.
That's
the right one.
Is it slang?
Yeah, it's a slang. It's that sort of speech is used by people who are not really Ilocanos. They're like Cagayan.
Ah, right.
Friendship part talaga.
It's like for people that aren't from California, call it Cali.
Cali. Yeah.
Same thing. Yeah.
What did you say, Cali?
That's how you can tell. Those are pretty.
That's my favorite.
I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Where will you download those pictures? In your computer?
You have to put it there first.
What do you call that machine? That gadget?
Oh, this 360 action camera.
Oh.
You can take pictures too.
How
Yeah.
much is that?
Well, this one's $500. So
1,500?
it would be 28, maybe.
Quite expensive.
Yeah. So it's
No.
500. What is that?
I'm good with mine. Okay.
I don't know. 25,
Ah.
28,000, something like that.
Ah. Oh. Actual nga tayo. Ay, abi.
Asian elephant.
Hmm.
Kasi small ears, di ba?
Oh, I thought it was the small eyes.
The big African. Ito dito marami yung mga inano ni Lily, yung mga basil, mga ano dyan, oh.
Oh,
Bye. Mga herbs.
oh, what's this?
May maleta si Kuya for that. Oh, nice oh.
Chili, oh. Ganda dito. Nandito na lahat. Ito sa festival, oh. Country. Ayun, yung basil mo nga eh. Oh, yung basil.
Ngay. Ay. Ah, donation for
Gracias.
Gracias.
Bravo.
Gracias.
Bili ka ng isa. Ano ba?
Oh. Yeah.
Oo. Yes, okay. Para
Wow, what a breeze.
Oh, yeah.
Yung tayo jay, travel time 10. Awan, at sukat sepay.
Kailangan niya ng lamig. Azalea ito.
Azalea.
Ang ganda namang pangalan ng
Alam ko
babae.
lang pangalan, ah.
Azalea.
Merong sa Japan na talagang parang kung merong cherry blossom sila, meron ding Azalea Festival when
Oh.
practically the whole forest is covered with
Ganyan,
azaleas.
oh. Ganyan yung binili natin na namatay.
Supay sayang.
Magmina
Pintas.
500 yung isa.
Supay
Ako
Kaya
ano,
pag
one
nasa condominium here, the name is La Azalea.
La
Azalea.
Yes, nasa condo there.
Azalea.
Azalea.
Ano ang pangalan? Azalea.
Kala ko, ano para,
Azalea.
pangalan lang. Name the flower pala. Or plant. Pero hindi siya alam yung mga dito. Talagang botanist kaya to eh.
Bot.
Ah,
At may mga azalea tayo dyan sa may
Azalea.
atok. Kasi malamig doon. Yung mga wild na ganyan,
Azalea. Ano ang pangalan? Azalea. Azalea. Ay, ko na.
Aztec. Ano, Aztec ba siya?
no. Aztec and Mayans, Mexico.
Oo, ito, Bolivia.
Inca.
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 So Bolivia, Peru, there's another one.
Jay, agong na ay ako.
Oh, apa na tayo na?
Dadakil natari ti agong danga group. Bigay jay Aztecas, bababasit lang ito.
Apa yung nadal mo ida ko?
Ha?
Alam ni Kuya.
Hindi, makikita mo yung picture na talagang native din eh.
Native na native siya.
Hindi Spangle yan.
Hindi.
No, no, that's
100
Yeah.
pesos. Yan, porsyento.
yeah, it's the Incan,
Kaiser.
Peruvian kind
Yeah.
of Livian.
Natuwa siya dahil alam ko yung Lake Titicaca.
Oo, alam niya daw eh.
Yung
Kaya
Salt
daw.
Lake, the
Oo.
Salt Lake.
Oo.
Alam niya.
Diba?
Alam niya,
Lake Titicaca.
magkaintindihan sila. Ha?
Diba?
Magkaintindihan sila ni Sam.
Where now? So this park was named after him.
Ah. Sa Zamba?
Nagpintas talaga.
Ah. Okay.
This is nice.
Oh.
No mask. No, sir.
Oh, Jaya.